There are more and more videos where the fighters of Gudkov's 155th Naval Infantry Brigade from Vladivostok understand with pain in their eyes that tomorrow they may not return. Relatives watch this with horror. Commanders continue to give orders, and the situation does not change. Those who are on the front lines do the impossible every day, but their lives depend on the decisions of the big navigators, those who do not see the battlefield, who lead from afar. Kursk, today's reality. We have a great story here about the cruel treatment of Russian soldiers and the corruption in their army. Ilya Arnold, a resident of Novokubansk in Krasnodar Krai, was convicted of drug use. On June 6, 2024, he received a year in prison, but on July 28, he signed a contract and went to war in Ukraine. Despite the dissuasion of his mother Olga, Arnold wanted to atone for his guilt with blood and help his daughter, who is now 1 year and 8 months old. The Telegram channel Mobilization of the DNR Live wrote about this case, and ASTRA confirmed the information. Ilya was sent to Military Unit 41,698, 5th Brigade, 3rd Motorized Rifle Battalion, Company B. During a combat mission in September, he was wounded in both legs, a through wound in the left leg, shrapnel, fractures. The right leg, the kneecap was affected, the tendon, the main nerve was damaged, shrapnel, fracture. The man was sent to the 14th Hospital in Donetsk, then taken to the medical company in Dokuchayevsk. There, Ilya was put in a basement, beaten, and forced to transfer money to the commanders. On October 13th, medic Maxim took him to Dokuchayevsk. There, they threatened to knock his teeth out with a hammer, kept him in handcuffs. It was horrible there. He was taken to the hospital without being operated on because complications had developed. But they only stitched up his soft tissues, nothing more, the soldier's mother Olga Arnold told Astra. From the hospital, the man was taken back to the basement, where his condition worsened again, and he was sent to the 15th Hospital in Donetsk. After that, Ilya was transferred to Kurakovo, put in a pit, and then sent on a combat mission to the settlement of Gluboki, 30 kilometers from Donetsk. Arnold's mother says that the commander he came across saw Ilya's condition and canceled his participation in the assault. Medics arrived at the scene and took the wounded man to the village of Pesky, where Ilya ended up in a basement with 15 other wounded people. Arnold's mother claims that in this place, medic Maxim from the medical company collects the wounded, including those who walk on crutches, and sends them back to assaults. From this basement on February 8th, the man managed to record video messages for his mother. Yesterday they brought the boys, they can't walk. They're on crutches, and they were simply sent to the front. This Maxim is completely fucked up. I'm shaking every day so that they don't send me there. I can't run. I walk poorly. If I were healthy, I would of course go. I'm not afraid of anything. I've been there twice, but I'd at least like to finish my treatment, Ilya says in his video from the basement. Olga filed complaints with the investigative committee, the prosecutor's office, the presidential administration of the Russian Federation and other agencies, but to no avail. She went to the headquarters in Makeyevka herself to file a complaint against the military unit commander, Lieutenant Colonel Alexander Demkovsky. Unit Inspector Anna, her full name is not disclosed, helped Olga, for which she was sent to storm the building and wounded. I was taken away seriously ill with pneumonia and I was declared a criminal in the SOC, unauthorized absence from the unit, although everyone saw my condition. And my commander is the same as Ilya's, Comrade Lieutenant Colonel Demkovsky Alexander. You should send threats to him, not to me. I helped you as much as I could, and I paid for it, Anna wrote to Ilya's mother. After this, Olga received death threats and had to leave Makeyevka immediately. Now she is threatened with the murder of her son if she does not stop talking about the situation. But the mother demands that her son be taken to Russia for an operation and sent to the N.N. Priorov hospital. At the same time, the woman is caring for Ilya's daughter. The girl's mother, Daria Kolpak, abandoned the child. Earlier, Astra published an investigation into the torture of Russian soldiers by commanders of the 5th and 110th Brigades, military units 41,698 and 42,600. According to the editorial board's sources, the commander set up a real concentration camp on the territory of the abandoned Petrovskaya mine in Donetsk. It was there that soldiers from the 5th Brigade tortured American war correspondent Russell Bentley before his death. Astra published the first and only video from the premises of this mine. Men who refused to fight were tortured there and then forced to go on deadly assaults. Ukrainian National Guard's Freedom Force Battalion, part of the Rubezh Brigade, repelled a Russian breakthrough attempt. They destroyed Russian armored vehicles, leaving an entire infantry platoon exposed in the open. Nearly all Russian occupiers were eliminated. The Rubezh Brigade, officially known as the 4th Brigade of Operational Assignment, is an elite unit of Ukraine's National Guard, established on January 4, 2016. Based in Hostomel, Kyiv Oblast, the brigade was designed to operate under NATO standards, benefiting from rigorous training, strategic organization, and modern equipment. Since its formation, it has played a crucial role in defending Ukraine's sovereignty against Russian aggression. The brigade was created as part of Ukraine's military modernization efforts, focusing on high-quality personnel selection and specialized training. From October 2015, recruitment efforts brought in some of the country's most capable soldiers, and the unit received direct training from foreign military advisors, including Canadian forces under Operation Unifier. This international collaboration helped instill NATO-level tactics and operational effectiveness within the brigade. Since its inception, the Rubezh Brigade has been involved in multiple key battles. During the Battle of Antonov Airport in February 2022, the brigade played a crucial role in repelling a Russian airborne assault, preventing the rapid capture of Kyiv. It later participated in the intense urban combat in Sievierodonetsk and helped defend Lysychansk, contributing to the broader effort to hold the Luhansk region. In the prolonged Battle of Bakhmut, the brigade demonstrated resilience against overwhelming Russian attacks, playing a key role in Ukraine's defensive strategy. Recent operations have shown the brigade's continued effectiveness on the battlefield. In November 2024, the Rubezh Brigade launched attacks on Russian positions in the Luhansk region, using tanks and drones to disrupt enemy fortifications. In the Siversk sector, its drone units played a crucial role in preventing Russian forces from reinforcing their positions, showcasing advanced unmanned warfare capabilities. In July 2024, the brigade successfully captured several dozen Russian soldiers, highlighting its operational effectiveness and ability to execute complex maneuvers under combat conditions.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.